The PDF import command is a really quick and easy way to get a PDF into AutoCAD linework. If you have a vendor or something that has a detail that they only have in PDF format and not in DWG format, you can type the PDF import command and it'll come up with however many layouts are in your PDF, and there's different options whether you want it to be a block, how you want it to come in layer wise. If it comes in as a block, you can just explode it and then it'll become individual line work. As you can see, if I explode it, I zoom in and look at it, each little piece and part is a line, but that's, way better than having to draw it all yourself. The text is pretty bad, so you'll need to redo the text and dimensions, but that's much easier than drawing the whole detail. So, quick way to get a PDF to drawing format. If you like this tutorial, visit @CivilCraigD on YouTube.